guys, this is such a great experience because we're gonna help needy people. Because as you know, the prices are getting higher, so needy people need us. So we should help them because Ramadan is coming. So help them so that they can eat. So we should not be greedy. We should help others. I think.
I'm very delighted to be here today and get involved in this activity that allows us to collaborate with our teams and present food from different cultures and backgrounds. And it's also an activity that enriches our cultural awareness and knowledge.
This activity has the main goal to develop our cultural awareness and knowledge.
We're very delighted to be here and participate in this wonderful activity that enriches our knowledge and raises our cultural awareness. Plus, we'll help poor people after collecting the money after selling our food. We will buy them groceries that will help them pass their Ramadan and make their ends meet.
I'm very pleased to be here today. High Up Academy allowed us to get involved in this wonderful activity, and this was a great experience. It gives us the opportunity to help needy people. As you know, prices are getting higher and Ramadan is close, and it also makes us develop our cultural awareness. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dua. So basically today we sell some things because we want to help poor people and raise our culture awareness, and that's it.
Hi, I'm Siman. I'm so happy to be here today. We just sold some Mexican food to help poor people, and that's why we're so happy. And thank you to High Up to give us this chance. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Miriam. Today we sold some Mexican tacos because of the cultural thing we're having in High Up Academy, and we're doing it to help poor people and donate in Ramadan. And like, we're so excited and we're so happy that we're participating in this thing, and we just love High Up so much. Thank you.
So each year, High Up Academy organizes events of bake and sell activities where we provide food for people in need. And in this year, we've prepared food of different countries. First of all, to spread cultural awareness in our society, and to provide food for poor people in this next month, Ramadan.
Hello everyone, in this video I just wanted to thank Teacher Khalid for giving us this great opportunity every single year in order to help other people and at the same time have a fun time.
As a High Up Academy student, we love those events, especially bake and sell. High Up Academy and High Up Association meet together to provide us the best learning.
For this special event, we have chosen Japanese food to sell, and with the collect money, we will help poor people in this coming holy month.
Hi guys, today I just want to tell you that we did a very big expo about the ethnic food from a lot of countries. We will collect some money, and then we will give some needy people the thing that they need for the sacred month, which is Ramadan.
With this bake and sell, we've learned about some cultures and then their traditional food. So from buying and selling, we are collecting money to help poor people in this fasting month, and buying some traditional Moroccan clothes to help them in Eid.
Hello everyone, I just want to thank our teacher Khalid for giving us this opportunity to help needy people by selling ethnic food and buying food to poor people by the money we collected during Ramadan.
Hi everyone, for this precious occasion, we decided to cook some sushi. With all the money we earned, we're gonna buy some food for the needy people who need to eat during Ramadan.
Hello everybody, I want to just say thank you to Teacher Khalid and all other teachers about this event. And I really like this idea about make and sell. To earn that money to buy things for the poor people, to give it to them during Ramadan. Thank you.